Welcome to the Melanie Hellwig Performance Show.
Hi, I'm Melanie Hellwig, CEO of Hellwig Products, fourth generation leader of our family company, and the current SEMA Chair. Today, I'm honored to share something incredibly special with you. This year marks 80 years of Hellwig suspension products, 8 decades of American grit, innovation, and adventure. Let's celebrate how one idea born in a small garage in 1946 helped shape the way America tows, hauls, and explores. Our legacy began with my great grandfather Rudy in 1946 when he built the very first Hellwig helper spring to solve a real problem on America's roads. From the early days selling springs door to door and installing them in customers' driveways, our family watched the country change, and we built products that changed with it. Every era of American adventure shaped us. Post-war family cars, the rise of RVs and towing culture, off-road exploration, and today's performance trucks and SUVs. What started in a small garage has grown into suspension systems trusted by drivers, adventurers, and manufacturers around the world. And even after 80 years, we're still just getting started because the future of American-made performance is wide open. There were years when the industry shifted and we had to reinvent ourselves to stay to our true American roots. In a world where so much has moved overseas, we've kept our steel, our people, our production right here in America. And that's a choice we're proud of and will continue to honor. We want to thank you for choosing Hellwig Products and for being a part of the Hellwig family. Your trust, your loyalty are the reason we're here 80 years and the reason we'll be here for another 80.